If you want a career in tech but you don't know where to start, what to learn, or how to stay consistent, this platform is built for you. Welcome to LearnITFree, a career-first learning system designed to take you from confused beginner to job-ready professional without expensive bootcamps. LearnITFree is not just a website, it's a career navigation system. We combine clear career roadmaps, free structured learning, real projects, career tools, and one of the largest free IT ebook libraries online. Everything here is designed around outcomes, not random learning. At the heart of the platform is a career hub, your starting point. This is where you choose a path, get clarity, and start moving with purpose. Not sure which tech career fits you? Use the Pathfinder. In just 7 questions and 7 minutes, Pathfinder helps you discover the right IT career for your interest. It also helps understand skill requirements, avoid wasting months on the wrong path, so you end up with no pressure, no guesswork, just clarity. Right here, check out the link below to start with the Pathfinder. Learning shouldn't be locked behind paywalls. That's why LearnITFree offers 750 plus curated IT ebooks completely free. Each book is mapped to career paths, skill levels, certifications, practical learning goals. So you don't just read, you read with direction. Make sure you browse our free ebooks. Once again, check out the links in the description below. Knowledge without consistency doesn't change lives. That's why we created the 90-day career challenges. Each challenge gives you weekly goals, structured learning tasks, projects to complete, clear milestones towards job readiness. You don't need motivation, you need a system. Join a 90-day challenge based on a particular career path. The career paths we have include AI and automation, where you start with learning AI fundamentals, Python automation, agentic AI, and real-world AI workflows, or cloud computing, which could be Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft's Azure, or Google's GCP, Google Cloud Platform. We prepare you for certifications using cloud labs and enterprise architectures. We also have DevOps, development team and operations team, working with CI/CD pipelines, continuous integration and continuous deployment. We learn how to use Docker, Kubernetes, and a lot of other DevOps tools. Automation is order of the day, as well as working in cloud-native systems. Cybersecurity is hot and trending. Prepare for Security Plus certification, which is the bedrock of cybersecurity. Focus on SOC analysis, routine workflows, GRC, zero trust security, or ethical hacking. Data and analytics pathway includes learning SQL, databases, dashboards, visualizations, data engineering, analytics, and so on. As a full-stack developer, you get to learn both the back-end and the front-end in this career path. You learn how to work with APIs, build real web apps, and portfolio projects. Each of these tracks include a roadmap, free learning resources, video playlists, projects, multiple ebooks, and 90-day challenge. All our learning connects directly to our YouTube channel with over 480 plus tutorials. 40 plus courses, and over 90 playlists. Watch, practice, apply, and repeat. Learn IT Free is built for career changers, students, self-taught learners, professionals who are upskilling, global and scale, and most especially underrepresented talent. If you want clarity instead of confusion, you are in the right place. Here's your next step. Hit the Pathfinder, choose a career track, download the free ebooks, join a 90-day challenge, and stay consistent. Your tech career starts with one decision. Learn IT Free exists to remove financial barriers and replace confusion with structure. This is Vitus DK from Virtual Ideas to Software Development Knowledge. Your IT career starts right here.